In this video, we will demonstrate how to create AI avatars and make images talk using Canva and HeyGen. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. To enhance communication and effectiveness in multimedia presentations, the talking feature of images can be important. Start by opening Canva and searching for the HeyGen application. Make sure you have a HeyGen account, which is free to create. Once you're signed in to both Canva and HeyGen, the interface will look like this. You can choose an AI avatar from a variety of options, including male or female. Simply click the one you like, then you can test different voices and add them to your script, and it will automatically generate an AI avatar for you. Add a script, and the image will say what's written. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. After setting everything up, click Generate AI Video. There are different voice options like Amber, Tony, and Sarah. You can listen to your script with each voice to preview how it sounds. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Add, and if desired, download the video. You can also use the Share button to download the final file. That's how you create your own AI-generated image or video with HeyGen on Canva. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.